In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this Hyundai Elantra. Let's get started. Before we get to replacing them, I just wanted to let you know that the driver's side wiper blade takes a 26-inch blade and the passenger side a 16-inch blade, so make sure you have the right lengths. I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side because the procedure for the passenger side is exactly the same. Lift up on the wiper arm. Once you're at this point, you want to pull the wiper back a little bit, and there's going to be a tab here that you can pry on and press the wiper arm down, just like so. It'll unhook. At this point, don't let go of the wiper arm. Remove the wiper, but if this falls down and hits the windshield, it will crack the windshield. So either put a towel down for safety or just hold it on really well. Have your new wiper ready, and it's going to hook on the same way no matter what the style of your securing point is. Sometimes they're a little larger, sometimes they're a little smaller, sometimes they even have a cap that goes over them. Slide it onto the hook, press it on until it clicks, make sure it doesn't come off. If yours has a cap at this point, you would want to put that on. Now lower the wiper arm slowly and do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.